Revamping your home can be one of the most rewarding endeavors, allowing for not only a fresh aesthetic, but also an enhanced sense of comfort and functionality. Among the myriad of options available, incorporating wood furniture stands out as a particularly advantageous choice. Wood has an innate warmth and timeless appeal that can transform any space, creating a welcoming environment that resonates with a sense of nature and craftsmanship. One of the most compelling benefits of using wood furniture is its durability. Unlike many synthetic materials, which may wear down or become outdated over time, wood possesses a natural resilience. High-quality hardwoods, such as oak, maple, or cherry, can last for generations if cared for properly. This longevity not only represents a wise financial investment, but also a sustainable choice. By choosing wooden pieces that are built to last, you contribute to reducing waste in the long run, avoiding the need for frequent replacements that come with less durable materials. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another significant advantage lies in the versatility of wood. It can be crafted into an array of styles, ranging from rustic and traditional to sleek and modern. This adaptability allows homeowners to select pieces that align perfectly with their personal style and the existing decor of their home. Whether you prefer the earthy tones of reclaimed wood or the polished finish of contemporary designs, wood can harmonize with various aesthetics, making it easier to integrate new furniture into your space without requiring a complete overhaul. Moreover, wood furniture has a remarkable ability to enhance the overall health of your living environment. Unlike many man-made materials that can emit volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other harmful chemicals, natural wood is generally free of such toxins. This can contribute to improved indoor air quality, which is essential for overall well-being. Many people find that living in spaces furnished with natural materials fosters a sense of calm and connection to nature, which would be particularly beneficial in our increasingly urbanized lives. Incorporating wood furniture also encourages a connection to craftsmanship and tradition. Woodworking is an age-old craft, and many pieces of wood furniture reflect the skill and artistry of their makers. Choosing handcrafted or artisanal pieces can imbue a home with a sense of history and character, telling a story through the craftsmanship and materials used. This appreciation for artistry can elevate the ambience of a space, making it feel more thoughtfully curated and personalized. The aesthetic appeal of wood furniture can profoundly impact the ambience of a home. Natural wood grains add texture and visual interest, creating a sense of depth that is often lacking in synthetic materials. The unique patterns inherent in wood can serve as focal points in a room, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. Additionally, the rich hues of wood can warm up a space, making it feel more inviting. When light interacts with wood, it enhances the natural beauty of the material, giving rooms a dynamic quality that changes throughout the day. Another consideration is the ease of maintenance that wood furniture offers. While it is true that wood requires some care to preserve its beauty, the maintenance is often straightforward. Regular dusting and occasional polishing can keep wood looking its best, and minor scratches can often be remedied with simple repairs. This ease of upkeep is particularly beneficial for families or individuals with busy lifestyles, as it allows for a beautiful home without the burden of excessive maintenance. Furthermore, the financial aspect of investing in wood furniture should not be overlooked. While some may perceive wood as a more costly option up front, its durability often translates to long-term savings. High-quality wood furniture can withstand the rigors of daily life, minimizing the need for replacements that can add up over time. As trends come and go, classic wood pieces tend to maintain their value and appeal, making them a wise investment for homeowners who wish to create a timeless aesthetic. The psychological benefits of wooden furniture should also be acknowledged. Natural materials have been shown to have a positive effect on mood and mental well-being. The warm tones and textures of wood can create a calming environment, which is particularly important in spaces designated for relaxation, such as living rooms and bedrooms. Additionally, the visual connection to nature that wood provides can foster a sense of peace and tranquility, encouraging mindfulness and relaxation. In terms of functionality, wood furniture can also be tailored to meet specific needs. Custom pieces can be designed to fit unique spaces or to serve particular purposes, enhancing the usability of a home. For instance, a custom-made wooden desk can provide a comfortable workspace, while a beautifully crafted dining table can become the centerpiece of family gatherings. This adaptability ensures that wood furniture can support the diverse lifestyles and activities of those who live in the home. Moreover, incorporating wood furniture into your home can enhance its resale value. Potential buyers often seek homes that feature high-quality, timeless materials. Well-maintained wood furniture can add to the overall appeal of a property, making it more attractive to prospective buyers. This can be especially true in markets where unique, character-filled homes are in demand, as wood furniture can contribute to the charm and individuality of a space. As sustainability continues to be a growing concern, opting for wood furniture made from responsibly sourced timber can align with eco-conscious values. Many manufacturers now prioritize sustainable practices, ensuring that the wood used in their products is harvested in ways that protect forests and ecosystems. By choosing these pieces, homeowners can furnish their spaces while also supporting environmental stewardship. The rise of e-commerce and digital platforms has made it easier than ever for consumers to access contemporary wood furniture. Online retailers and local artisans alike offer a wide range of options, allowing individuals to explore different styles, finishes, and price points from the comfort of their homes. This accessibility has opened up new possibilities for homeowners, enabling them to find pieces that resonate with their tastes and lifestyles. The ease of purchasing contemporary wood furniture online can also streamline the design process, allowing individuals to curate their spaces more efficiently. Additionally, the tactile qualities of wood can enhance the sensory experience of a home. The warmth of wood, both to the touch and in its visual presence, creates an inviting atmosphere that can be especially comforting in colder climates. The sensory appeal of wooden furniture can contribute to a holistic sense of comfort and well-being, making spaces feel more like home. In summary, revamping your home with wood furniture offers an array of benefits that go beyond mere aesthetics. From durability and versatility to the positive impact on indoor air quality and psychological well-being, wood stands out as a material that enriches living spaces. As you consider how best to enhance your home, the timeless appeal and practical advantages of wood furniture make it a worthy investment that can transform your environment into a sanctuary of comfort and style. Embracing wood furniture is not just about filling a space. It's about creating a home that reflects your values, nurtures your spirit, and stands the test of time. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.